In this video, I will be solving the final problem or last problem of the map 1 section, that is the mapAB4. Here comes the 5 seconds break for you to pause and attempt this problem on your own. Alright, let's read the problem statement. Modify and return the given map as follows. If the keys A and B have values that have different lengths, then set C to have the longer value. If the values exist and are having the same length, change them both to the empty string in the map. So in the mapAB4 method, we will be given a string to string map, and first of all we need to check whether the given map contains A and B as the keys or not. If that's the case, then we need to check whether the values of A and B are having same length or different length. In case both the values are having same length, in that case we need to change both of the values to empty string. So if we, is there any example, such example present? No such example is present. Let's discuss the second one. If both of the keys are present and they are having different lengths, in that case we need to set C to have the longer value. So if we see here, both A and B are present, and here the value of A is having longer length, 3 is greater than 2, hence we are setting the value of the key C as the longer value, which is AAA. So this is the problem. Now let's solve it. So for this also we can write two if blocks. First of all we need to check whether the given map contains both A and B as the keys or not. Map dot contains key B, and let me also store it in a boolean variable to reuse it. Both A and B keys are present. Yes. So if both of the keys are present and both of the keys, the values of both of the keys are having same length, for which we can write and map dot get A dot length is equal to map dot get B dot length. Both of the keys are present and both of the values are having same length. So in this case we need to replace both of the values as the empty string. Map dot replace A with empty string and similarly B with an empty string. Now let's discuss the first case. If both of the keys are present and both are having different lengths, for which we can just write this. So now we need to actually compute which of the key is having a longer length, and then we need to set that value for the key C. So first of all we can compute the both of the lengths. Length of A value is equal to this, and similarly length of B value is equal to this. Now we need to calculate which of this is larger, for which we can write, or we can, what we can do here is basically we need to get the key whose value is having a larger length. So larger key, which will be if length of A value is greater than length of B value. In this case it will be A, else it will be B. So basically here we have computed which of the key is having a larger value, or having, yeah, having a value having larger length. Yes. So now what we can do is map dot put C with map dot get larger key, and finally we can return back the map. So this is the logic. Now let's run the test cases to verify. All of the test cases are passing. Now let me submit this code on the platform. All correct, and push the code to GitHub and verify the code has been uploaded successfully. So with this, all of the problems of map1 sections have been solved, and from next video onwards we will be starting to solve another section problems.